Yeah.
We just landed in Orlando!
We didn't get sucked out of a window!
Woo! Now I'm gonna be that cool girl that goes and gets everybody Starbucks. Is this one gonna be my bag? Is it gonna be my... No. It's this one. It's gonna be this one. Nope, not my bag. It's my bag!
Look how wet it is.
Oh wow, my bag is soaked through. It's soaked. It's literally soaked completely through.
Wow, look at the waterfall. All this rain and my luggage is just chilling back there. Soaking it all up.
Going to my second home. Walmart.
Hey, come on.
Okay, so we are currently walking to Hot Wheels. We're gonna go look at the Hot Wheels, and everybody's looking at me like I'm a crazy person talking to themselves and a camera. But I don't care. Okay, we have officially found the Hot Wheels. Let's take a look. They got a Zombie Hunter, a Monster Mutt, the Stars and Stripe truck, which, I mean, that's pretty awesome, and it matches my nails. But I already have this guy. And they have Carolina Crusher, which I do not yet to have. But I'm hesitant on buying it because, like, I don't want it to get ruined in, like, my baggage on my plane flight. So I think I'm just gonna wait. We made it to my favorite aisle. I love you all so much. Going to the line with the hottest cashier. Escape. It's day 2 in Florida and it is pouring rain. We literally walked 10 feet and we are soaked from head to toe. Told me I was never looking for a friend. Baby, you could swing by my room around 10. Lemon in a bottle of gin. We have made it to a lighthouse. And it's so pretty and we're gonna go take some pictures for the gram. I forgot the name of the lighthouse, so I think it's like Ponce Lighthouse. So I want one. Do you want yours vanilla?
I'll do cinnamon.
Okay, so I want 2 of them cinnamon and 1 vanilla.
Alright, did you want any cream or milk in that?
Yeah, can we get heavy whipping cream?
Gotcha. Alright, anything else for you?
Nope, that'll be all.
Alright, I'll have that for you.
Thank you. For my vlog.
I think that one's cinnamon. Here's the vanilla. Here's the other cinnamon. Thank you.
Have a good day. Chicken.
He's like being so much more mellow with me now too. He usually gets pissed.
Really?
Yeah, let's see if I'll comes out on me. Actually. Get out of here, man, bud. Come here, guys. Come here, girlies. See, he gets sketchy. And he's kind of an asshole.
We made it to the beach. So pretty, and the water is warm. Gonna get to play in it. It's been so long since I played in the ocean, and I'm so excited. Alright, y'all, that's the end of this vlog, so thank you so much for watching. Make sure to give it a thumbs up, leave a comment below, and subscribe. See you guys in the next video.